Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to design a social media post in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a document of 2000 by 2000 pixels. Okay. Now I have this nice wooden texture background. To add contrast, I will add a curves adjustment layer. Okay. Now bring it up and bring it down from here. Okay, like this. Okay. Now to create a vignette, I will add another curves adjustment layer on top of it and bring it down like this. Okay, select the mask, take the brush tool or press B. Make sure the foreground color is black with 0% hardness. Paint in the center. Okay, like this. This will create a form of vignette for us. After that, I have this pizza image and I have already added a drop shadow on it. You can see that. After that, I will go to filter, sharpen and smart sharpen. Press OK. After that, I will add some text here. So select the type tool or press T. Okay, I'll write delicious. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T to make it bigger. Okay, make it in center. Now I will choose this color. Press Alt backspace to fill the foreground color. You can see this code. Okay, then press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate this text. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T to resize it and I'll make it smaller and place here, and I will rewrite it with taste and exclamation mark. Okay, now I will make it tracking 50 for this. Okay, now and I will make it white. Press Ctrl backspace to fill the background color. After that, this font is looking so boring, so what I will do, just double click on this layer. Now bring the slider of the underlying layer from left to right like this, but you can see that the result is so harsh. So press Alt and click on this to break it into two parts and now move it. It will give us a smooth transition like this. Yeah. Okay, let's make it bigger. Taste. Okay, now to make it more cool, I have these elements. I'll place them here, make it bigger. Okay, after that I will add some elements and adjust their position. Now you can see that this space and this space is looking empty, so what I will do, I have these elements. I will place them here to fill this empty space and they will serve as a design element. After that, you can just place your logo here. Okay, it's a demo logo. To add contrast to our final design, just add a curves adjustment layer. Now bring it up, bring it down. Okay, like this. Okay, and make the opacity to 50%. Now to add a final touch, let's add a color lookup and I'll select 3 script and the opacity to 50%. Yeah, and now our final design is ready. By the way, if you want to download this PSD, links are in the description. If you learned something new in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of our newly uploaded videos, and also follow me on Instagram at Design Hype Official. Thanks for watching.